guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can blend in your background with this overlay on CapCut PC. So add in kind of like your overlay or like your lyrics overlay and whatnot. It's going to speed it up a little bit because it is kind of slow. Okay, there you go. And then I'm going to basically just select the video overlay, go to blend mode, and choose the brighten one or the screen. It will kind of lose some of its glow because the video isn't dark enough. So if you could just go to adjustments and go to basic, you can actually adjust the brightness here and then even the contrast to even show the glow kind of a little bit more. And that is it. If the background is in a different color, like a white color, and the text is in black. Okay, let me just show you real quick. And the text is in a darker color. I'm just going to leave it at default text like that. Also might add in a little bit of glow. It's okay. Add it on top of that. So select it, right click, create compound clip, and then you are just going to choose the darken mode for it, but it will kind of lose some of its glow, but that's because it's rarely like that, and people's overlays are mostly like this. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!